Is it not the first day of school?
This is very weird. Hello? Has everyone gone home?
Oh my god! It's February 2nd! We've come to school too late and missed the first assembly of the year.
What are we gonna do?
Mr. Straight is going to revoke us from our captaincy.
Or worse,
Being disappointed in us. Do you see that?
Is that what I think it is?
It's a time machine.
You sure?
Timemachine. Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah. We could use a time machine to get back to the first day of school.
Chazak ve'ematz. Oh, perfect. We finally made it back to school.
Is that Mr. Straight over there?
Oh, let's go over and apologize for being late.
Mr. Straight, we are so sorry. Who are you two?
The school captains of 5786 and you're Dan Straight, the principal of Mount Scopus.
No. I went to Scopus as a student, but I'm the head of middle school at Bialik.
Oh, it's Friday. We forgot to say Shabbat Shalom.
Oh, whatever, just go.
There's something wrong with the time machine.
It must be broken.
What are we going to do? We're never going to get back to the assembly.
I mean, eventually we'll get to the right time zone, right?
Let's try again.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. We didn't prepare for this in Barbara's fire evacuation.
Definitely not.
We have to jump in the pool to get away from the zombies.
Jump? Do you know how expensive this premium Dobson's uniform is?
We have no other choice. Otherwise, the zombies will get us. Jump!
Uniform!
Sorry, you leave me no choice.
No, Dobson's uniform! No!
A few moments later.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Oh, I certainly didn't miss this.
Me neither.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op.
I'm ready to give up. I seriously don't think there's any chance that we get back to the first day of school on time.
Not with that attitude, we won't.
Yeah, but if you actually think about it, it might be good. We could enjoy the relaxing life. I kind of like it. Oh, sorry, what? Are you seriously trying to motivate me with Ariana Grande lyrics?
Yes.
Well, it's kind of working. Let's try this one last time.
I recognize this place.
Yeah, we're definitely in the right place. This is the library.
And no eating in the library.
But we weren't even eating. Don't do it.
Gee, that was a close one. Imagine we missed the first day of school.
Thank goodness we found that time machine. Phew.